This is the Smallrig Parabolic Softbox, model number LA-D85. Let's open the box quickly so we can see what's inside. This model comes with a carrying case, equipped with a shoulder strap, opens by the way of drawstring and not a zipper. Inside the bag we can find the softbox, 2 diffusers, and 1 honeycomb grid. This is a small softbox, ideal for a small studio setup. This softbox is considered a quick setup system. The bones are already attached, you just need to push them in place. This is the outside diffuser. And this is the inside diffuser. They both attach via Velcro. This honeycomb grid also attaches via Velcro. The length of this softbox is 33.46 by width 16.14 by height 18.9 inches.